Today we're making pink Himalayan sea salt popcorn. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. If you guys are a fan of the Lesser Evil popcorn in the pink bag, then this is an exact copycat recipe. But it's so much cheaper than the bag you buy at the store. Let me show you guys how to make it. So you guys only need 3 ingredients to make this pink Himalayan sea salt popcorn. So first we're gonna need some popcorn kernels. Then we're also using coconut oil today and of course some salt. Then you want to make sure you have a large stock pot with a lid. I'm just using my Caraway 6.5 quart Dutch oven today. This is my favorite non-toxic pan for making popcorn. I'm going to link it in the description for you guys. If you guys don't have a pot that's this big and you only have like a 3-quart saucepan, that's fine, just half the recipe, because otherwise all of your popcorn will not fit and it'll end up overflowing or burning. So first we're going to add in half of our coconut oil, which is 57 grams, into our pot. Now we're going to put this over the stovetop. Now we're going to put this over medium-high heat and we're going to add 3 popcorn kernels and cover with a lid. These are going to be our tester kernels. So once these tester kernels have popped, then it's time to add in the remaining popcorn kernels. This is going to ensure that the pot is hot enough, which is why we do these tester kernels. Then you're going to intermittently gently swirl around the kernels in the pot. This is going to help ensure that the popped kernels kind of rise to the top and the unpopped kernels sink to the bottom so they can get hot enough to pop. Once the kernels start to pop, shake the pot frequently so the popped kernels rise to the top. This is going to ensure that all the popcorn kernels pop and nothing burns. When the popping slows to 1 second between pops, then we're going to remove from the heat and remove the lid. Oh my gosh, it smells so good in here. So once your popcorn is finished popping, you're going to remove the lid and remove it from the heat, and we're just going to set that aside. Now in a small pot, we're going to add another 57 grams of coconut oil. And so we're just going to melt this over the stovetop. So once our coconut oil is melted, then we're just going to pour it over the top of the popped popcorn. And then we're going to sprinkle it with our pink Himalayan sea salt. So this is why we needed to save that lid. Now we're just going to give it a shake. Give it a little taste. Oh my god, so good, you guys. If you guys want to add a little bit more salt, you can do that now. You know me, you can always add just a little more salt. Give it another shake. Oh my gosh, perfect. You guys, this tastes just like the Lesser Evil Pink Himalayan sea salt popcorn, but it's so much better because it's so fresh. So stop buying that popcorn in the store and make this instead. This is so good. This homemade popcorn is perfect for movie nights, snacks, or even road trips. Just make sure to store it in an airtight container. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more better than store-bought recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.